Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here from M&L Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. All right, so I'm here with a beautiful video for you guys on how consistently profitable traders actually approach the market. All right, so you guys watch the rest of the video to actually find out. All right, great. So the consistently profitable traders actually have an age. And what is an age? An age is simply an indication of one thing happening over another. Simply your strategy. All right. So they have a strategy that has been back tested. This strategy that have been back tested, forward tested, and it has proven that it makes money over time. And that's what they make sure that they have. And once they have that in place, they focus on consistently executing their age. All right, they have the confidence in their strategy, and they know that if they execute the strategy, they're going to make money at the end of the day. All right, so they focus on series of trades and not on a trade by trade basis, because they understand that it's all probability. Anything can happen at any particular time. Therefore, they don't focus on what's going to happen next. Therefore, they just look at a series of trades. They focus on series of trades. And also they understand that it's about risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio is the most important aspect, unlike the win rate. If you have a good risk to reward ratio, you can lose more trade but still be able to make money. And they understand its importance. All right, so let's go to the next.
Hello there. Do you like the way we trade and would like to trade exactly like I've shown you? Well, wait no more. We have our M&L Forex Trading Mastery course, which comes with a ton of extensive, in-depth tutorials on our trading strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. Our strategy has been back-tested and forward-tested and has shown positive expectancy over the years. When you enroll into our course, you get benefits like lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free trading plan, free trading journal, and weekly trade reviews. All these arsenals that help you become a consistently profitable trader that you seek to become. What are you waiting for? Click the first link in the description to enroll now.
So they focus also on risk management. All right, so risk management is one of the integral part of trading. Without this, you can't make it in the long run. So they understand that they always have to predefine their risk. They always have to know exactly how much they're risking and how much they're actually willing to lose on that particular trade. And most of all, they are comfortable losing that amount. They are comfortable losing the amount. All right, so therefore that works in their psychology. Their emotions are going to be a little bit better than the person who's not actually predefined their risk, and therefore they are able to stay calm. All right, and also they have daily loss limits. They know when to end that particular day. They know exactly how much they are willing to lose on that particular day. Therefore, when they hit that loss limit, they completely stop trading and then they resume trading the next day. They don't force trade, they don't revenge trade. Right? The other reason is that they actually have the only risk what they are comfortable losing. It doesn't matter. It can be 0.5%, it can be 1%, it can be 2%. They know exactly how much they're willing to lose, and they actually accept that. They completely accept that, and therefore that's how they're able to stay calm even when they're trading, because they already know how much they're willing to lose. All right, so consistently profitable traders actually understand that trading psychology is the most important aspect of trading. They understand that their mindset is what keeps them in the game, because once you have a wrong mindset when it comes to trading, you can't last very long. So they are very self-aware. They know what triggers them. They know how when those feelings are about to come, they know when to actually step outside their setup, because they know that if they stay any longer, they can self-sabotage. Therefore, they are very much self-aware. and therefore they're able to prevent those unnecessary losses that can come due to emotional trading. All right. And also, they take they take full responsibility of their actions. They don't blame anyone. They don't finger point. They understand that all results, whether positive or negative, it's all going to work out in the long term. They focus on series of trades. All right, so they take full responsibility of that trade, and also they focus on executing their edge regardless of the previous outcome of the trades they've taken, because they understand and they have absolute confidence in their strategy that they're going to be profitable in the long run. And that's how they remain consistently profitable in the market. Not because they don't lose, but because they have small losses and bigger wins that cover up those losses. And that's how they remain consistently profitable. All right, so you guys, hope this short video was helpful. If you want to be a consistently profitable, make sure that you have a strategy, make sure you have an edge, you have proper risk management strategy, and make sure that you continuously work on your mind. If you don't have the strategy out there, you're struggling, or you don't have a proven strategy that actually works, guess what? We have our M&F mastery course that can actually help you become a consistently profitable trader. So check the first link in the description and actually check our course out. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye and God bless you.